This $110 keyboard is amazing. I'm talking about the new Infi75 from Velocifiretech, who sent it to me for review. This is the exclusive limited keep-out edition. The layout is 75%, is gasket mounted, comes with 5-pin hot swap PCB, south-facing RGB LED, matching double-shot PBT keycaps, and tri-mode connection. The stock switches are Kyungji linear switches, which are basically nice and really deep sounding. The key selling point of this board is this nice LCD display, which is basically a hub for multitude of controls using the knob. Also, it has this aluminum weight at the bottom, which gives it a heft despite being it an ABS plastic keyboard. This is a nice looking and nice sounding board for sure. Stay tuned to my channel for further coverage.